Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Spotify's profile picture. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen and click on where it says view profile at the top. Over here you can see the edit button right beside or right below your profile picture. Click on it. From over here you can see the little pen icon which is right beside your profile picture, the circle thing. Click on the pen. From over here you will get three options. You can either remove the current photo and it's just going to show you random thing like this, or you can click on take photo and you can use your phone's camera to take a random photo and click on use photo, and that photo is going to be used as your profile picture. Or you can click on the pen icon and click on choose from library and choose a random photo from your gallery or your library, just like this, and click on choose. Basically that photo is going to be taken as your Spotify's profile picture. Now you can click on save at the top right corner and your change will be confirmed. So that is how you guys can change your Spotify's profile picture. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.